Oh, I feel inadequate on YouTube without my eyelashes. A couple of days, have you been courageous? Because I feel like there's a lot of stuff that you're wanting to do and you're just not doing it because you do not feel brave. I know because I have struggled all week to film videos so that I could start uploading them to YouTube. And I don't know if anybody's ever going to watch them. But you know what? I don't care because it's so much fun. And then I can say that I did it. I can have no regrets, right? So, what are you wanting to do that you're afraid to do? And why are you afraid to do it? Are you afraid what people are going to think? I wonder why we're always afraid of what people are think. Really, when you get older, you do realize that most people aren't even giving you a second thought. They're mostly worried about themselves. Now, I do know on social media, we've all seen it on all the platforms. There are these people that like to comment negatively. And then people get so mad and they make response videos. And I'm like, I wouldn't. I'd just be like, whatever. Like, it's kind of funny. And then, I say that, but then I would probably get my feelings hurt and I would cry. But what I'm saying is, I would probably just delete the person. I would just delete the comment because I would be like, I don't need to make a response to that. It's like that person obviously feeling bad about themselves, so they have to make someone else feel bad about themselves. And look, we're not everybody's cup of tea. You're not gonna be everybody's cup of tea. What's that saying? You see it on everything. It's on all these Pinterest quotes. It's like, you can be the juiciest, ripest peach, and there's always going to be people that don't like peaches. It's just not your thing, it's not their thing. So anyway, I hope you've been brave. I hope you've done something. I hope you've stepped out in faith, and I hope you've had courage this week, and I hope that you've done something that you always wanted to do. We're not promised tomorrow, and I don't say that to be morbid. It's just true. We don't know what the future holds. And I don't want you to get to my age. I'm 54. I don't want you, if you're watching and you're younger than me, to get to my age and have regrets like I do about all the things that you wanted to do, but you didn't do it and you didn't try it because you were too worried about what everybody else would think. I still struggle to this day with low self-esteem, and it drives me insane. Sometimes when I'm in the car and I'm just thinking and talking to God and I'm saying, why is this such a problem for me still to this day? And I just feel like I'm done with it. I'm done with it. I just don't care what people think anymore. I love people. I try to be as kind as I possibly can. And if they don't reciprocate that, or they don't know how to do that, that's okay. It doesn't mean I don't love them. It doesn't mean I'm going to get mad at them. I mean, I might make a comment in my head like, oh, wow, what's wrong with them today? But really, I don't care. Because at the end of the day, I'm responsible for what I do. I'm responsible for what I bring to the world. I'm responsible for how I make people feel. That's all I'm worried about. So I'm just here to give you encouragement. I'm here to give you entertainment. I'm here to give you a little boost. I'm here to say, step out and do something. Be brave. I know you can. I know you can do it. So just don't worry about what anybody thinks. Okay? And just step out and do it. You guys are helping me be brave. And why does that make me want to cry? Isn't that crazy? Oh man, I don't know why that made me want to cry. I immediately wanted to cry when I said you guys are helping me be brave, but you are. You're helping me be brave. If I can do this, you can do this. If I can try new things, you can try new things. Let's be brave together. You're helping me be brave. Let me help you be brave. Tell me what I can do for you. How can I encourage you? Let's be brave together. Okay, enough of that. What are we going to get into today? Well, today I'm going to show you a little bit of packing and shipping for my Etsy. I'm going to speed it up so you don't have to sit there and watch every single bit of it. I've got a little bit of information in it about shipping, if that's something that you're interested in. I'm going to show you probably a couple of things that I have that I'm taking pictures of or that are for sale. So a couple of things that I thrifted that are probably going to be sold. Else I'll put in this video, but stay tuned. there's bound to be something fun. And I promise, no more crying in the rest of this video. No more. I promise. if you are a reseller, let me show you what you can get for free through the United States Postal Service. Now, if you have an account through the United States Postal Service online, which I do, it's a great thing if you do it. It's free to sign up. You can sign up on the United States Postal Service site. And then it's a great way to, like, if you're going on vacation, you can get on there and you can stop your mail without having to go to the post office. You can just, there's a thing for stopping your things that are free. So let me show you the boxes. So this size box here, this is free. Of course, like I said, it's priority shipping. These are like 12¼ by 12 by 8.5. It's a good size. It's called the large mailing box. These are called shoe boxes. They are a little thinner, in my opinion. These are great though if you needed to ship something. They're supposed to be for shoes, but let me show you. It's a long cylinder box, so see, like a rectangle. If you're going to ship Ground Advantage, if you're going to ship anything that's not priority, you can't put it in a priority box. That's a no-no, and they will get you at the post office. It's a small square. These are 7¼ by 7¼ by 6.5. So those are 3 things that I do get free through the post office. I get my bubble wrap in big 4-packs from American Bubble Boy. Love that company. They're great for resellers. If you buy a lot of bubble wrap, you win reward points that you can use on your purchases. They also run a lot of specials. So that is where I get them. And I get this size roll. Paper. I save a lot of paper when I buy things at the thrift store. Sometimes they'll wrap it in things like this. Sometimes Amazon tears this off and puts it in your box. I save all of this. Save all of it. Recycle, recycle, recycle. But pretty cheaply on Amazon or Walmart, you can buy the thin pieces of wrapping paper. This is great to put in your packages. I use that a lot. Boxes that I do buy, sizes that I usually buy on a regular basis are these 6 by 6 by 6. It's a small square. They're perfect for small items. Perfect for candles or anything like that. So this I buy these, I think they're like 66 cents. I don't know, maybe cheaper. I'm sure if I bought them in bulk online, they would be a lot cheaper, but sometimes I just run to Walmart and get them if I'm running out. So this size I use a lot. And the other size that I sometimes buy at Walmart or online is the 11 by 7.5 by 5.5. It also is kind of like a small rectangle square. It's hard to tell when it's all like this, but anyway, kind of like that. So anyway, I do buy those. These are the sizes that I use the most often. Now, I also ask my family and friends to save me their Amazon boxes. And they do. My daughter's really great at it. My youngest daughter, she brings me all kinds of stuff from her work. So anything, or if I order anything, Amazon. I just put brown tape over and cover up anything that says Amazon. I don't know if you have to. I just don't want my person that purchased something to get a box coming that says Amazon, because they'll be like, I didn't order anything from Amazon. Tape. I buy clear tape. I like the Easy Start. It's more expensive, but I don't care. I'm not fighting with tape. I'm not fighting with tape. And one of the best gifts I got for Christmas one year was this heavy duty tape dispenser. Great when you're getting to the end and you're just boom, boom, pulling them off. I don't use it. I don't like these that have the handle on it because I'm clumsy. I'm not very coordinated. This works better for me. And that's about all for shipping supplies. I have fragile stickers. I have thank you stickers. Anyway, I just wanted to give you that little tidbit. Hope you enjoy this little, tiny little shipping excursion that we did. Just 4 packages today going out. I just wanted to film it since there wasn't that many, just so you could kind of see that if that's something that you're interested in. I just stepped on bubble wrap. So anyways, let's let's find something else to get into. You want to see something so sweet? Look at these little dishes. They're little children's dishes. They're vintage. They're made of plastic and they're like a pink pearlized. They're so cute. It's a set of 4. So it has this little coffee or tea pitcher with a lid. Isn't that sweet? And then it comes with the little sugar bowl. And then it comes with this little creamer. So the sugar and creamer, the pitcher, and then it comes with 4 of these little cups. Aren't they sweet? And then each cup comes, and then I have 4 of these, which are little saucers. Some of them are more pink than the others. They're all like pearlized, but so you have your little saucer and your cup. And then it also comes with 4 larger plates, which are a little bit bigger than these. That's for your dessert. That's for your pie or your scone or your croissant or your petit four. Oh, anybody remember petit fours? They were so good. They're like little tiny pieces of cake. Look at this tiny fork. It comes with a tiny fork, tiny spoon, and tiny knife. And there's a set of 4 knives, 4 spoons, 4 forks. Just have them in this. I am so proud of myself that I have uploaded so many videos this week. Anyway, this one had a lot, including some crying. So I hope you stay tuned past the crying because there's more in the video than just the beginning. And it wasn't like a bad cry. It was like a you inspire me cry. And you do inspire me. So let me just say thank you for coming and watching and spending time with me. And I do mean it. Everything in my videos, I really want you to know that I'm sincere when I say those things. I do want you to be brave, and you do help me to be brave. I hope that you found something this week that you have fun doing and that you don't care what anybody else thinks. If you're feeling insecure, that you just go out there and do it. I hope you're being brave. I hope you're being courageous. I hope you step out in faith this week and do something that you've always wanted to do, but you were too afraid to try. I believe in you. You need to believe in you.